What's the meaning of bar? Bar. Bar.
Bar. Bar. The word bar can have multiple meanings depending on its context. It can refer to a long, narrow piece of metal or wood used as a support or a barrier, such as a security bar on a window or a ballet bar. In the context of music, it can mean a segment of time or the vertical lines that separate and organize music into measures. It can also refer to a place where alcoholic beverages are served and consumed, such as a pub or a nightclub. Additionally, bar can be used informally to mean an obstacle or difficulty in achieving a goal.